Welcome everyone. I hope you are doing great today. In this video, we will talk about how you can view and manage your blocked list in the Imo app. Many people block contacts but later forget where to find them. So this guide will show you the simple way. First, open the Imo app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. After that, tap on Blocked List. Here, you will see all the users you have previously blocked on Imo. Finally, if you want to unblock someone, simply click on the Unblock button next to their name. Then confirm by click on Unblock again, and they will be removed from your blocked list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.